Here is how to delete all viruses on iPhone. So first of all, go to settings. Once you're here, basically you should find a Safari browser. Mostly all of viruses are located in your browser. So there are two ways how to find Safari. In main menu of settings, you will see a Safari. If you not see on this specific list Safari, like in my iOS, because if different iOSs, you can locate Safari in different ways. So if you not see from this list Safari, you just go to apps and just scroll down and find Safari browser. Alright, next step, when you find Safari browser, proceed to Safari and then scroll all the way down. In very bottom, you will see clear history and website data. So you should tap on all history, of course, close all tabs and just tap on clear history. So basically a lot of viruses located only in Safari. So it's the first step what we can do. Next step, just go to General. From a general menu, I mean just from settings. If you open up settings, here we are. Go to your iCloud, just basically tap on first link over here on your profile icon. Next step, proceed to iCloud, and here you will see a lot of different options. We should find specific app drive. In my iOS it's located like this, but in your version of iOS can be different. So basically find drive. I can tap on see all and see iCloud drive. And then when you tap on iCloud drive, tap on manage storage, and you will see this specific option here says delete data from iCloud. A lot of viruses can be located here, like some different files on your device. So we basically can tap on delete data from iCloud and proceed to delete. But before you delete your data from your iCloud drive, you should notice that all your data will be deleted. That's why before deleting, I recommended you to make backup, iCloud backup. So in iCloud option, you will see this specific icon, iCloud backup. It's like this specific icon. And then just backup your all files from your drive. Or if you not have any important files on iCloud drive, you can basically delete them and don't worry about it. But I would recommend you make backup before you delete your drive. Alright, next step, it's last step. What we can do, just go to settings, then go to general and scroll all the way down. In very bottom you will see transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on erase all content and settings. Before you do this step, you should notice all your data, all your information, all your all your stuff on your iPhone will be deleted and removed. It's like your new iPhone. When you tap on continue, you should notice that it will be like your new iPhone, without any apps, any data, any photo, any contacts, any wallets, everything. It will delete all stuff on your iPhone. So before you do this step, you should notice it. And of course, delete all your viruses from your iPhone. Can be on your iPhone if they was, and it will of course delete all of them.